take a look at problem number 10. This is simplifying, and a fraction has got a bunch of x's in there. This is called a rational expression. Rational means you got a single fraction, and expression means specifically you have a bunch of x's in there. Well, let's review how to simplify a rational expression. So simplifying rational expressions. Step 1, factor the top and factor the bottom. Two, cancel if necessary. Two pretty simple steps. The factoring part is probably the part that throws a lot of people. So let's look at this. Now I'll show all the steps on the factoring on this. X squared minus 11x plus 28 over x squared plus 5x minus 36. And step 1 is factor the top, factor the bottom. Now both of these are the PSD method. We have x squared x, no x, and there's no number for the x squared. On our top part there, we got x squared minus 11x plus 28. We take the number at the end, the 28, and we come up with our three columns. Product column, sum column, and difference column. Product column, we write down all products, give us 28. 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 4 times 7. And in sum column, we add those numbers together. 1 plus 28 is 29, 2 plus 14 is 16, 4 plus 7 is 11. In the difference column, we subtract them. 28 minus 1 is 27, 14 minus 2 is 12, 7 minus 4 is 3. Now, the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 11, which is right here, which means I'll use 4 and 7 in my answer. Now, our larger number in the P column that we underlined, which is a 7, is always going to be the same sign as the middle term, which is negative. If the number you circle is in the S column, S for same signs, they'll both be positive, both be negative. Since this one's already negative, then this one has to be negative. So the top part factors as x minus 4 times x minus 7. Let's factor the bottom part now. We got x squared plus 5x minus 36, and we again says PSD. We take the number at the end, ignoring the signs, so 36, and we come up with our three columns again. All the products give us 36. There's 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. Then we're going to add them. 1 plus 36 is 37, 2 plus 18 is 20, 15, 13, 12. Subtract them. 36 minus 1 is 35, 18 minus 2 is 16, 12 minus 3 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 6 minus 6 is 0. Again, the number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is a 5, which is right here. So I'm going to use 4 and 9. Now our larger number in the P column, which is a 9, is going to be the same sign as the middle term, which is positive. If the number you circle is in a difference column, D for different signs, if this one's positive, then this one will be negative. So it factors as x minus 4 times x plus 9. And step 2, cancel if possible. See how they both have an x minus 4, so those are going to cancel. And we're left with x minus 7 over x plus 9. Now, we can't cancel the x's here because of the minus and plus in here. Everything has to be multiplication. Notice how this was x minus 4 times x minus 7, and this was x minus 4 times x plus 9. That's why we could cancel these. But this is not multiplication down here, so that's our answer. And see which one that matches. X minus 7 over x plus 9, x minus 7 over x plus 9, D is in David. Let's verify that. So 10D. And it checks out.